Hello. Here I'm going to show you how to replace the Nissan Qashqai CR2032 battery. Okay, the battery is in there. Okay, flathead screwdriver. Okay, see the hole here. Okay, put it in like that. Okay, you need to twist it. Yeah, if you hold the key like that, you twist it. You open. See, once it's open, yeah, pull away the cover. Okay, the cover need to be. Okay, here's the cover. Okay, then the battery CR2032, yeah. Okay, see, here's the battery, yeah, CR2032. Okay, to replace it, the spring ain't going first, yeah, going first, press it down. Okay, you line it up. Okay, line it up like that, and then you press it down. Okay, very simple, isn't it? Yeah, thank you for watching. Yeah, please subscribe to the channel. Yeah, thank you. Yeah.